the amount of money, and this is not a personal vendetta against anybody. However, we just want this Board of Regents and everyone here sitting at this table to know that we are going through financial struggles as well. As college students, life gets hard. From $190 a credit to eventually $231 per credit. I will not be surprised if you do not see anybody graduating from UOG in 2 years. I mean, it's just very likely that, what Austin said, this population of the student body is going to decrease greatly. And the one thing that I want to point out to everybody is that who does your generation say are the future leaders? Our generation. How can we become future leaders if we cannot afford to get the education that we need? If education is so vital, and if education is such a staple to success, then allow us to absorb that success. Provide us the opportunities to pave the road to success. Now, another thing that I feel needs to be done is, as stated on page 2 of the proposal, approximately $1.9 million will be filled through additional belt tightening cost reductions, improved productivity through new technology, energy and utility conservation measures, deferral of hiring, elimination of positions and temporary salary reductions, and academic program consolidations, phase outs over time, larger class sizes, and fewer class offerings. It's here in the text, but I think we as a student body would appreciate if you showed us that these things were being done, and if you made it very transparent, if you released documents saying, hey, we said we were going to do these things, we said we were going to take these measures. Here are measures that we've already taken. Here are energy and utility conservation measures that are being done already. Here are people, these are positions we have turned away. Here are class sizes that we have made larger. Let us know that you are doing your part as well. And another avenue that I would like to personally point out is what about mitigating our financial solution? If you say we're going to raise the tuition, but what about the fact that most of us pay $150 for a book that we barely use sometimes? What about looking towards ebooks, looking towards course readers? So under the online learning fee, I was glad that we were searching in that certain avenue of education. But these are things, these are situations that, you know, I talk to a lot of people. The bookstore is just crazy. So we want to just, you know, pronounce that there are other ways. We do not have to keep this on the tuition issue. Find out other institutions. For example, one person was talking about what about greater involvement with the Alumni Association to really help us out more. I mean, we cannot be narrow-minded in regards to tuition, raise, or keep the same. We have to look at the other avenues of revenue that are out there, because I can say on behalf of the whole student body that our financial situation can be very unbearable at times, and with these increases, it will make it nearly impossible for us to fund our education. So once again, I'd just like to thank you for listening to us. I'd like to thank you for accommodating us in your room. But please know, just like our SGA president said, these are our voices. There are many like it, but these are ours. We will not be silent. We're here to stay. Sanamasi.